Wait, all my contacts are gone.
Did an important contact suddenly disappear from your iPhone? Don't panic. In this guide, I'll show you how to restore your contacts through iCloud, confirm that they are safely synced, and protect the people you contact most. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the settings screen, then open the iCloud section. On your Apple ID page, tap iCloud to view the information being stored and synchronized with your account. Find Contacts and make sure the switch is turned on. This allows your iPhone contacts to synchronize with iCloud. If Contacts is not immediately visible, scroll down through the iCloud settings until you find it. Turn on the Contacts switch. Your iPhone will now begin connecting your local contacts with iCloud. When your iPhone asks what to do with existing contacts, select Merge. This combines the contacts on your phone with the contacts stored in iCloud. Keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi and wait a few moments. A large contact list may need additional time to synchronize. After synchronization is complete, open Contacts and check whether the missing names have returned. To protect your restored information, return to iCloud Backup and tap Backup Now. Confirm that the last successful backup shows the current date and time. This means your latest contacts are now protected. Now open the Contacts app from your iPhone home screen. Review the contact list carefully and search for the person who was previously missing. If the contact cannot be recovered, you can recreate it by tapping the plus button. Enter the person's name, phone number, email address, and any other useful information. Before saving, review every detail to make sure the phone number and email address are correct. Tap Done to save the contact and return to your complete contact list. You can also organize contacts into groups, making family, friends, and business contacts easier to find. To add another person, tap the plus button again and enter the new contact information. To update an existing contact, open the contact card and tap Edit in the upper right corner. The saved contact card gives you quick access to calling, messaging, video calls, and email. Check that all important contact information has been restored and saved correctly. For faster access to important people, open the Favorites section in the phone app. Favorites lets you keep your most frequently used contacts together in one convenient list. Open a contact and tap Add to Favorites to place that person in your favorites list. Organize your closest family members, friends, and important work contacts at the top. Once added, your favorite contacts are always available with just a few taps. This gives you instant access whenever you need to call or message someone quickly. Favorites can help you stay connected with the people who matter most. From this screen, you can call, message, or start a video conversation without searching through the full contact list. Keep only your most important contacts here so the list remains clean and useful. Your favorites list remains available whenever you open the phone app. With one tap, you can reach the contact method you use most often. This makes contacting family, friends, and colleagues faster and easier. You can choose whether each favorite opens a phone call, message, or video call. Keeping important contacts synchronized and organized reduces the risk of losing access to them again. Give priority to the people you contact most often and keep their details up to date. With iCloud synchronization, regular backups, and favorites, your most important contacts will remain protected and easy to reach. I hope this guide helped you recover and protect your iPhone contacts. If you found the video useful, please give it a like, subscribe for more practical iPhone tutorials, and tell us in the comments whether your missing contacts returned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.